Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing great. Well, I'm back again with a skincare video. Now, before moving forward, I would like to mention that this is going to be a night skincare routine, and I have two separate types of skincare routine. One for the days when I have like no makeup, and one for the days when I have like applied makeup in a day and I was like shooting, I was in front of the camera applying a lot of makeup. So I have like two separate night skincare routine. So the part one where I follow nighttime skincare routine on the days when I have no makeup applied. The link to that video is mentioned in the description. You can also find it right here. That was the part one of this video. Now this is going to be the part two of the nighttime skincare routine, or I should say a second version of nighttime skincare routine which I follow on the days when I have like plenty of makeup applied on my skin and then I have been shooting all day, and this is what I do. So I hope that pretty much clears the confusion. So in case you are interested to watch the part one of this video, you can definitely click on the description. There's a link mentioned down below and you can watch that video. Also, I have created a timestamp for this video just to you guys to, jump on step one, step two, step three, and so on. And it will be easier for you guys to watch the video and come along with me. So yeah, without wasting your time, let's get started and let me share the part 2 skincare routine with you guys. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have a makeup on, I have like concealer, I have a little bit of foundation and everything right now. And first thing what I'm going to be doing is quickly taking off my jewelry, and finally I'm getting time to do this. I wanted to film this makeup nighttime skincare routine for a while now, and I'm happy that I'm finally getting time. I'm just gonna quickly tie this so that my hair are like not coming in the way. So it just works something like this. Just gonna push this ahead. All right, there you go guys. Now, in my previous night skincare routine, I also shared about double cleansing. So I'm going to be doing that again today in case you are very interested to watch that video. That's the part one of this one where I am doing a night skincare routine on the days when I don't apply any makeup. So you can watch this video right here. It's also mentioned in the description. So the first step that I'm going to be doing is, since I have a lot of makeup on today, I'm going to be doing a double cleansing. And the first product that I'm going to be using is, I'm using makeup removing cleanser balm from Serum. So I'm just going to take a little bit of product. I'm just going to take it on my palm, and something I would like to tell you is you can use cleansing oils, or otherwise you can use micellar waters. That's like the first step, and then you can also use cleanser balms to remove your makeup, and just so that all the makeup is come off. So that's what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to rub this all over my face, so whatever makeup I have, that's completely melted and off from my face. Do you see this guys? It's instant, and I have been loving this balm which I started using. It's really nice and it's very gentle. Now you guys can see the entire makeup has been melted, and the good part is it doesn't get into my eyes. Usually like some of the cleansing balms or cleanser oils just get into your eyes and just kind of become very, like eyes are very sensitive, so it's not getting into my eyes. So what I'm going to be doing is now washing this off with just a little bit lukewarm water, and I'll see you guys within a minute. I'm back. Now you guys can see my face is still wet. Now I'm going to be doing the second step of the double cleansing, that is going to be using my cleansing gel. You can use your facial cleansing gels, whatever you like. That is basically the second step. The product that I'm going to be using today, and it's like my holy grail product that I have been using for a while, is La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser, and it's really good for people who have normal to oily skin. You guys, I think I mentioned this in my last video as well. This is almost gone, like more than half bottle. So I'm just gonna take like one pump. It's more than enough, and what it's gonna do is, like, if there's still some makeup or still some dirt left on my skin, it's just gonna take that out and cleanse my face. Alright, now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and quickly wash this off and then see you guys in a few minutes. All right, I just, zoomed out a camera a little bit because I was feeling like I was so much into the camera. Anyways, like I was right here on the screen. So as you guys can see, my face looks already very, very clean because all the makeup that was there, it's already gone. So the second step that I like to do, and I love doing this step, and I don't know, I just think it's just like another part of double cleanser, but also it's really, really hydrating and really good for the skin. Is I use glow tonic from Pixie Beauty, and I include this glow tonic in both of my routines, whether it's the AM routine or PM routine. And it's just like a toner which helps you really, really, take out all those impurities as well from your skin. And it also gives you a very healthy glowing skin and also exfoliates skin at the same time. So I'm just going to take like one pump. It also helps in brightening the skin, and I love Pixie Beauty glow tonic. It's beautiful, and I love this bottle because it has like my name on it. I absolutely love this one. So I just like, gently just apply, or just wipe everything off from my face and just apply it like all over my neck and skin, like on the face area. And also the good thing is this is like the third step of double cleanser because it's taking out all that remaining makeup from your face, or maybe a little bit of impurities. I'll show you, just give me 1 second. Okay, my face look clean, but look at this. You guys, did you look at this? There was like, you can barely see the makeup, but what this actually does is like, if there are some areas which are not clean, it just cleans it. It's a good way of double cleansing, and it's the third step that I would say. All right, now let's move on to the step number 3. Now the cleansing is done. We will be moving to the serums now. So the first serum that I like to apply on my face is, because since it's not an active day, I like to apply the serums which are very gentle and hydrating at the same times, and I'm not doing too much on my skin. It's kind of hydrating and keeping my skin locked, safe, but not like very, very harsh on my skin like actives, because actives perform, they're a little bit harsh. I wouldn't say harsh, but I don't know, like I don't know how. So let's put this through. So actives are like something which are going to like get into your skin, and you won't kind of feel too heavy, right? But on the makeup days, your already skin felt like super heavy because you had a makeup. So I don't like to apply actives on the days when I had like so much makeup, because I want my skin to feel like super light and super gentle. That's it. So I'm going to be using Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Multi-Recovery Complex Serum. I have this tiny one. The bigger one I just finished. Let me show you guys. So this is the bigger bottle I have, which is like almost gone. And I actually, like when I went to buy this one, when it was like all gone, I got the mini size because it was like kind of really cute. And it's like, when you're traveling or going somewhere, you can just quickly pop into your bag and just pop in your bag and then carry it wherever you want. So that's why I have like this size. So I've actually placed an order for the bigger bottle, but meanwhile I'm using the mini one. So I am just gonna take like 2 to 3 drops of this one, since it's very small, so it's kind of hard to get all those kind of drops from it. All right, so we have 3 drops here. I'm just gonna quickly rub it here and then apply it like in a pressing motion, just like so that my skin can absorb the product completely. Applying it on my face and also on my neck area. All right, now once that is done, the next step, the step number 4, I think so, it's going to be applying a moisturizer. Now I don't apply too many serums again on the days when I have like no makeup, so it's very simple. Just after one serum, moving to the moisturizer. So I'm currently using 2 moisturizer, but both of them are from the same brand, which is called as La Roche-Posay. The first moisturizer is Double Repair Face Moisturizer, which also has SPF 30. And the second one is Double Repair Matte Moisturizer, and it does not have any SPF. So I actually used to use the blue one, but I've recently switched to the white one. I don't know what's really the difference is. Probably this one is like more, gives a more matte finish, but this one doesn't have like a matte finish. And so far I'm loving both of these. So I've like recently switched. There's still some of the product left on this one, and this is like the brand new one. I think I started using probably 2 weeks ago, and this is working really well. So I think I'm gonna go with this one again and just use it a little bit on my face and on my neck area. Moisturizing is really important, and also you should apply the moisturizer on your neck. I think I have been saying this again and again. People tend to forget their neck area and just focus on the main, this part, and just forget like this area. I don't know why. So it's really important to moisturize neck as well. Come on guys, you don't want wrinkles here, like this like kind of like, wrinkle lines which comes up here. You don't want that once you start getting old. All right, so moisturizer is done. Let's quickly move on to the step number 5. So the step number 5 is going to be using an eye cream, and I like to pair this eye cream with the serum that I'm using. I don't use the same eye cream every single night because since I have different routines, like a night care routine, but this particular eye cream I do not pair up with other night routine. I only pair this night cream when I'm using Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum because it's basically from the same brand and does the same thing. And for the other routine, I follow different night cream, which you would know. You can watch the video, there's a different explanation for that one. So I am using Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. I also have like a mini version of this one, but come on guys, there's like a lot of product. You guys can see we don't use that much of eye cream, so I think it's more than enough and it's good to carry. There's like no weight, it's super light. So I'm just gonna apply it underneath my eyes and I'm just taking it like all the like above my brow bone, just dragging the product and spreading it evenly. Alright, now since the moisturizer is very nicely absorbed into my skin, let's move on to the step number 6. The step number 6 is, I absolutely love doing this. I like to use a Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask from the brand called as Saturday Skin. And first of all, it is so hydrating. Like the next morning when I wake up after applying this sleeping mask, my skin feels so plumpy, so smooth. I don't know, there's like a different glow every night when I apply it. There is a difference next morning and it's visible. I see that. I am not promoting this product, but guys, this definitely makes my skin like super smooth and it's very hydrating. So I don't use this sleeping mask also like every single night. I only use the sleeping mask with the current routine that I'm showing you guys. I do not use it when I'm using any other actives like retinol or some other. I'm only doing it when I follow this particular makeup routine. By the way, it smells like the that lemony kind of a flavor. I feel like eating this, you guys. It's so good. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna take like a little bit, and it also has this like kind of a pulp, which I don't know if you guys can see or not, which I mean it does smell like lemon or something. I feel like it's so good. Like, oh my god, it's so good. I just feel like taking a dip in it. Is so good. So I'm just gonna like evenly apply it on all over my face and also on my neck area. Alright, now let's move on to the step number 7, and of course we don't want to miss our lips, right? It is also a very important part of your face, so you don't want to make your lips look chapped, or don't want to wake up with like super flaky chapped lips which doesn't look like it just like give you that feeling, right? You don't want to be like that one person. So the product that I absolutely love using is Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and you guys can see I have almost finish this. Like there's like the 3/4 part left, so I'm just gonna take like a little bit and apply it evenly on my lips. And it's a leave-on lip mask. Definitely you'll see a difference next morning. The lips are like super smooth, so highly recommend even this one. Alright, so let's move on to the step number 9, and that's basically the last step of this routine. Now, to lock all the products or the skincare that I have used and just to feel like make my skin very calm and very soothing, I like to use Dream Mist from Pixie Beauty, which has jasmine and lavender. It's a overnight mist. This is basically an optional step. If you are into mist, you can use it. Otherwise, you can totally skip this step. But I'm so much into using these mist and making my skin feel more hydrated, calming. So that's why I like to use mist. So I'm just gonna spray this mist evenly on my face. Now I'm gonna let everything absorb into my skin and then see you guys in a minute. Alright you guys, so this is me, and like right now what you see is it's not greasy, just to let you guys know. So I have like clean fingers and I'm just gonna just do this to show you just guys. It's not greasy, it's not oily, it's just like the product glow which is showing up on my face, and it's gonna get like more absorbed into my skin and it's gonna look like more settled in. So yeah, just to let you know, because there would be some people would be saying that okay, your face look oily and all that stuff. So it's not like that, it's nothing like that. I don't feel anything on my skin, it's super light. So yeah, that was basically my skincare routine for the days when I have like a lot of makeup on, and the steps are like pretty simple. I like to keep it like super simple. I don't like to involve like a lot of the ingredients or a lot of the products in this routine. And this is my latest skincare products and the steps that I have been doing so far. Now the products that I have used, those are linked down below. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching this video and sticking by. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. But please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my social media handles, and the direct links are mentioned down below. Bye.